Generative Fill, a brand new tool that Adobe added to the Photoshop beta, employs cloud-based image synthesis to fill specific portions of an image with brand new AI-generated material based on a written description. Generative Fill, which uses Adobe Firefly, operates similarly to the in-painting method that has been employed in DALL-E and Stable Diffusion updates since last year. Generating art with ethical AI? Adobe Firefly might have the solution. Adobe Firefly, a unique image synthesis model created by Adobe, is at the heart of Generative Fill. Firefly is a deep learning AI model that has been trained on millions of stock photographs from Adobe to link specific imagery to text descriptions about it. Adobe is just now catching up to adding these features to its flagship picture editor, even though OpenAI's DALL-E 2 image generator and editor have had them since August of last year, and various homebrew releases of Stable Diffusion since approximately the same time. It's true that the turnaround time is quick for a business that may already have a massive liability target painted on its back due to concerns about the creation of harmful or socially stigmatized content, the use of artists' images as training materials, and the powering of propaganda or disinformation.